Today, we will talk about how to install erosion control blanket. Let's have a look at the details. Erosion control matting or blanket is a type of protective blanket made from straw, fibers, plant residue, or plastic. The blanket is performed and used for protecting soil from overland flow and the impact of precipitation in any form. It also helps in retaining moisture and facilitating an even establishment of vegetation. Erosion control blanket is also known as rolled erosion control products, RECPs. Erosion blankets work best with vegetation. Ground cover plants have several natural erosion check benefits, including protecting against strong winds, structuring unstable soil, and soaking up runoff after rain. The first method is small site installation. 1. Clear installation site. Inspect the site closely by making a circuit of the site. Look for things like branches, rocks, dirt clods, roots, or unwanted vegetation. Use a shovel, tiller, aerator, or pitchfork to break compacted soil. Once you have cleared the site, if necessary, it is important for the erosion control blanket to lie directly on the topsoil without any obstructions. 2. Dig a trench if installed on a slope. You will need to dig a shallow trench at the top if installing on a slope or a hill. You can skip this step if installing the erosion control matting on a flat surface. 3. Line the shallow trench. Free 3 feet of the material from its roll and line it over the depression. This step is important to settle the blanket's hold. 4. Use fasteners to tack the blanket. Your erosion control matting would come with its own specially designed staples or pins for easy installation. Read manufacturer directions and place the fasteners as directed. Sink them deep at the center of the shallow trench, using a rubber mallet or a hammer. 5. Overlap additional blanket edges. You need to lay additional blanket edges under the vertical edges of the matting beside it. This will help in creating an overlap, which will prevent any soil from being left exposed. 6. Refill the trench. Use your spade or shovel to reline the trench with the soil you removed earlier. The upper end of your blanket should stay secured with the fasteners and compact soil. 7. Unroll and fasten the remaining blanket. You should wait to unroll the blanket until you have properly secured the loose side by staking it inside the trench. Make sure you line the fasteners symmetrically and sink them completely in the soil. And the second method is large site installation. 1. Prepare the site. You need to take appropriate measures to prepare the site for erosion control matting installation. Make sure you install the erosion control blankets within 24-48 hours of seeding to promote healthy germination. The matting contains loosely woven mesh that allows plants to grow easily. 2. Use twin unroller units to attach the roll. 3. Get into position at any corner of the installation site. You need to move the rolled blanket to the outer perimeter of the installation site. 4. Start unrolling. Start driving slowly to unroll the erosion control matting. 5. Overlap the edges of all additional blankets. Make sure you overlap the edges of erosion control blankets while unrolling them. Make sure you limit the overlapping to 6 inches. Anything further will only result in material wastage. 6. Fasten the soil erosion blankets. You will need to walk the length of the blanket and fasten the edges every 3-5 feet. Use the staples and pins provided with the erosion control matting rolls. This should make your erosion control blankets secure enough to withstand precipitation, wind, and animal activity. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.